Hey everyone, today we're gonna see how to install quad lock vibration dampener. Firstly, if you already have a quad lock motorcycle mount installed, use the Allen key to unscrew and remove the existing one. Align the vibration dampener with the base of your existing quad lock mount. Ensure the quad lock logo is facing upwards and use the included screws to ensure and secure the dampener to the mount. Tighten the screws firmly but not excessively to avoid damage. Now, place the quad lock mount head onto the vibration dampener and secure it using the remaining screws provided in the kit. Again, tighten the screws properly to keep your system stable and rotate and tilt the quad lock mount head to check the vibration dampener is functioning correctly. The dampener should arrive with a slight flex as it's designed to absorb vibrations. Attach your phone with a quad lock case and twist it into place. Ensure the locking mechanism is secure and go for a test ride and check that the mount stays firm while absorbing vibrations. And that's it guys, thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.